Good morning. Today we are going to discuss plant and animal hormone. Hormone definition. A hormone which stimulates growth in animals or plant cells. Plant growth substance or biochemicals produced in plant. Endogenous or synthetic substance applied to the plants. Extremely exogenous which cause modification in plant growth and developments. Plant growth substances produced by the plant are referred to as phytohormone. Animal hormones is a chemical substance which is produced in one part of the body, enter the circulation and is carried to distant target organ and tissue to modify the structure and function. Define hormone, list out plant hormones, classify plant hormone into growth promoters and growth inhibitors, differentiation physiological effect of various plant hormones, understand how plant hormones control and coordinate various physiological activities in plants. Now the various endocrine glands in the human body. Identify the location and structure of the endocrine glands in the human body. Differentiate exocrine and endocrine glands. Now the specific site of action and their functions. Identify the disorders which occur due to the decreased or increased hormone secretion. The word hormone is derived from the Greek word hormone meaning to excite. The function of control and coordination in plants is performed by chemical substance produced by the plants called plant hormone. In plants, several cells are capable of producing hormones. These phytohormones are transported to different parts of the plants to perform various physiological functions. Endocrine glands. In vertebrate animals possess a diversified communication system to coordinate physiological and metabolic functions by chemical integration. The endocrine system acts through chemical messenger now as hormones, which are produced by specialized glands. Physiological process such as digestion, metabolism, growth, development and reproduction are controlled by hormones. Plant hormones. Plant hormones are organic molecules that are produced at extremely low concentration in plants. These molecules control morphological, physical and biochemical response. Type of plant hormones. There are 5 major classes of plant hormones. They are axins, cytokinins, gibberellins, abscisic acid, ethylene. Among all these plant hormones, axins, cytokinins and gibberellins promote plant growth, while abscisic acid and ethylene inhibit plant growth. See the hormonal interaction in plants. Control of cell division, cytokinin and gibberellic acid. control of stem elongation, axin and gibberellic acid, initiation of flowering, stomatal closure abscisic acid, development of abscisic zone, ethylene and axin, growth of young fruits, cytokinin, induction of fruit ripening, ethylene, gravitism of roots, axin, hormonal interaction in plants growth and developments. Say axins. Axin, Greek axin, to grow, where the first plant hormone discovered. The term axin was introduced by Kogel and Hagen Smith, 1931. Axins are produced at the tip of stems and roots, from where they migrate to zone of elongation. Charles Darwin, 1880, observed unilateral growth and curvature of canary grass, Phalaris canarensis, coleoptiles. He came to conclusion that some influence was transmitted from the tip of the coleoptile to the basal region. This influence was later identified as axin by Wendt. Wendt experiment. First, Wormald Wendt, 1903 and 1990, as a Dutch biologist, demonstrate the existence and the effect of axin in plants. He did series of experiments in Avena coleoptiles. In his first experiment, he removed the tip of Avena coleoptiles. The cut tips did not grow, indicating that the tips produce something essential for growth. In his second experiment, he placed agar blocks on the decapitated coleoptile tips. The coleoptile tips did not show any response. In his next experiment, he placed the detached coleoptile tips on agar blocks. After an hour, he discarded the tips and placed this agar block on the decapitated coleoptile. It grew starting up, indicating the same chemical had diffused from the cut coleoptile tips into the agar block, which stimulated the growth. From his experiments, Wendt concluded that a chemical diffusing form, the tip of coleoptiles, was responsible for growth, and they named it as axin, meaning to grow. See, the germination of the seed, decapitated tip of coleoptile and placed in agar block. Agar block is placed to top of the decapitated tip of the seedling. Type of axin. Axins are classified into two types, namely natural axin and synthetic axin. A natural axin produced by the plants are called natural axin. Example, IA, indole acetic acid. Synthetic axin, artificially synthesized axins that have properties like axin are called synthetic axin. Example, 2,4-D, 2,4-dichlorophenolic acetic acid. Physiological effects of auxin. Auxin bring about a variety of physiological effects in different parts of the plant body. See, cell elongation. Auxin promote the elongation of stem and coleoptile, which make them to grow. Auxin induce root formation at low concentration and inhibit it at higher concentration. The auxin produced by the apical bud suppress growth of lateral bud. This is called apical dominance. Seedless fruits without fertilization are indicated by the external application of auxin. Parthenocarpy. Example, watermelon, grapes, limes, etc. Auxin prevent the formation of abscisic layer. Say the phenyl acetic acid, indole 3 acetic acid or natural auxin. Indole 3 butyric acid, indole 3 propionic acid, alpha naphthalene acetic acid, 2,4,5-T, 2,4,5 trichlorophenolic acetic acid are some of the synthetic auxin. Cytokinin. Cytos, cell, kinins is division, or the plant hormone that promotes cell division of cytokinesis in plant cells. It was first isolated from herring fish sperm. Zeatin was the cytokinin isolated from Zea mays. Cytokinin is found abundantly in liquid endosperm of coconuts. Physiological effects of cytokinin. Cytokinin include cell division in the presence of auxin. Cytokinin also causes cell enlargement. Both auxin and cytokinins are essential for the formation of new organs from the callus in tissue culture. That's called as a morphogenesis. Cytokinin promote the growth of lateral buds even in the presence of apical buds. Application of cytokinins delay the presence of aging in plant. This is called Richmond-Long effect. Gibberellins. Gibberellins are the most abundantly found plant hormones. Krusova 1926 observed Banking disease or foolish shielding disease in rice crops. This internodal elongation in rice was caused by fungi, Gibberella fujikuri. The active substance was identified as gibberellic acid. Physiological effect of gibberellins. Application of gibberellins on plants stimulate extraordinary elongation of internode. Example, corn and pea plants. Blotting, blotted shoot, roseted leaves. Treatment of rosette plants with gibberellin induce sudden shoot elongation followed by flowering. This is called a blotting or bolting. Gibberellins promote the production of male flower in monoecious plant, especially cucurbits. Gibberellins break dormancy of potato tubers. Gibberellins are efficient that auxin in inducing the formation of seedless fruit. Example, parthenocarpic fruits, development of fruits without fertilization, tomato fruits. Abscisic acid. Abscisic acid is a growth inhibitor which regulates abscission and dormancy. It increases tolerance of plants to various kind of stress. So it is also called a stress hormone. It is found in the chloroplast plants. Physiological effects of abscisic acid. Abscisic acid promote the process of abscission, separation of leaves, flowers and fruit from branch. During water stress and drought condition, abscisic acid causing stomatal closure. See the healthy green plants, senescence, yellow plant, abscisic plant leaf is dropped. Activity. Place 2 or 3 unripe tomato in a brown paper bag with a ripe bananas and roll the top closed. In another bag, place 2 or 3 unripe tomatoes only and roll the top closed. Observe what happened to the tomato. Why? As the banana continues or ripen in the first banana, it produces ethylene gas. The gas trapped in the bag with causes tomato to ripen. The tomato remain unripened in the second bag. BAP promotes senescence in leaves by causing loss of chlorophyll. Abscisic acid induces bud dormancy toward the approach of winter in trees like brick. Abscisic acid is powerful inhibitors of lateral bud growth in tomato. Ethylene. Ethylene is a gaseous plant hormone. It is a growth inhibitor. It is mainly concerned with maturation and ripening of fruits. Maximum synthesis of ethylene occur during the ripening of fruits like apples, banana and melons. Physiological effect of ethylene. Ethylene promotes the ripening of fruits, example tomato, apple, mango, banana, etc. Ethylene inhibits the elongation of stem and root and dicots. Ethylene hasten the substance of leaves and flowers. Ethylene stimulates formation of abscission zone in leaves, flowers and fruit. This leads to premature seedling. Ethylene breaks the dormancy of buds, seeds and storage organs. Human endocrine glands. Endocrine glands in animals possess a versatile communication system to coordinate physiological function. Endocrine glands and endocrine glands are two kinds of glands found in animals. Endocrine glands are found in different regions of the body of animals as well as human being. These glands are called ductless glands. The secretion are called hormones, which are produced in minute quantity. The secretion diffuse into the bloodstream and are carried to distant part of the body. They act on specific organs which are referred as target organ. The branch of biology which deal with the study of endocrine glands and its physiology is known as endocrinology. Thomas Addison is known as father of endocrinology. English physiologists W.M. Bayliss and E.H. Starling introduced the term hormone in 1909. The first discovery, the hormone secretion. Endocrine glands have specific ducts to carry their secretion. Example, salivary glands, mammary glands, sweat glands. Endocrine glands present in human and other vertebrates are pituitary glands, thyroid gland, parathyroid glands, pancreas, adrenal glands, gonads, thymus glands. Pituitary gland. The pituitary gland of hypophysis in a pea-shaped compact mass of cells located at the base of the midbrain, attached to the hypothalamus by a pituitary stalk. The pituitary gland is anatomically composed of two lobes and perform different functions. They are the anterior lobe, adenohypophysis, and the posterior lobe, neurohypophysis. The intermediate lobe is non-existent in humans. The pituitary gland form the major endocrine gland in most vertebrates, regulate and controls other endocrine glands, and so is called as the master gland. See, the pituitary gland. See, the pituitary glands, the brain, the lower brains is present, optical chiasma, pars intermedia, anterior pituitary lobes, posterior pituitary lobes, and hypothalamus. Hormones secreted by the anterior lobes, adenohypophysis of pituitary. The anterior pituitary is composed of different type of cells and secrete hormones which stimulate the production of hormones by other endocrine glands. The hormones secreted by anterior pituitary are growth hormone, thyroid stimulating hormones, adrenocorticotropic hormone, gonadotrophic hormone, which comprise the follicle stimulating hormone, and luteinizing hormone, prolactin. Growth hormones. Growth hormones promote the development and enlargement of all tissues of the body. It stimulates the growth of muscles, cartilage, and long bones. It controls the cell metabolism. The improper secretion of this hormone lead to the following condition. Dwarfism. It is caused by a decreased secretion of growth hormone in children. The characteristic feature are stunted growth, delayed skeletal formation, and mental disability. Gigantism. Over secretion of growth hormone leads to gigantism in children. It is characterized by overgrowth of all body tissue and organs. Individuals attain abnormal increase in heights. Acromegaly Excess secretion of growth hormones in adults may lead to abnormal enlargement of head, face, hands, and feet. Thyroid stimulating hormone TSH. Thyroid stimulating hormones control the growth of thyroid gland, coordinate its activities and hormone secretion. Adrenocorticotropic hormone. Adrenocorticotropic hormone stimulated adrenal cortex of the adrenal gland for the production of its hormone. It also influences protein synthesis in the adrenal cortex. Gonadotrophic hormone GTH. The gonadotrophic hormones are follicle stimulating hormones and luteinizing hormones which are essential for normal development of gonads. Follicle stimulating hormones. In male, it stimulates the germinal epithelium of testes for formation of sperms. In female, it initiates the growth of ovarian follicles and its development in ovary. Luteinizing hormone. The male, it promotes the Leydig cells of the testes to secrete male sex hormone testosterone. In female, it causes ovulation, rupture of male Graphelian follicles, responsible for the development of corpus luteum and production of female sex hormone estrogen and progesterone. Melatonin is a hormone produced by the pineal glands. It is known as time messenger. It signals nighttime information through the body. Exposure to light at night, especially short wavelength light, can decrease the melatonin production, interrupting sleep. Suppression of melatonin has been implicated in sleep disturbance and related metabolic disorders. Prolactin. Prolactin is also called lactogenic hormones. This hormone initiates developments of mammary glands during pregnancy and stimulate the production of milk after childbirth. Hormone selected by posterior lobe, neurohypophysis of pituitary. The hormone secreted by the posterior pituitary or vasopressin or antidiuretic hormone, oxytocin. Vasopressin or antidiuretic hormone in kidney tubes. It increases the respiration of water. It reduces loss of water through urine and hence the name antidiuretic hormone. A deficiency of antidiuretic hormone reduce reabsorption of water and cause an increase in urine output. This deficiency disorder is called diabetes insipidus. Oxytocin. It helps in the contraction of the smooth muscles of urethra at the time of childbirth and milk ejection from the mammary glands after childbirth. Thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is composed of two distinct lobes, laying one on either side of the trachea The two lobes are contracted by means of a narrow band of tissue known as the isthmus. This gland is composed of glandular follicles and lined by a cuboidal epithelium. The follicles are filled with a colloidal material called thyroglobulin. The amino acid tyrosine and iodine are involved in the formation of thyroid hormone. The hormones secreted by thyroid glands are triiodothyridine, tetradothyridine or thyroxine T4. See the thyroid gland picture. Thyroid cartilage, thyroid gland, trachea and nadu. See the function of thyroid hormones. The function of thyroid hormones are production of energy by maintaining the basal metabolic rate of the body, helps to maintain normal body temperature, influence the activity of central nervous system, control growth of body and bone formation, essential for normal physical, mental and personality developments. It is also known as personality hormones, regulates cell metabolism. Edward E. Kendall in 1914 first crystallized thyroxine hormone. Charles Harrington and George Berger identified the molecular structure of thyroxine in 1927. Thyroid glands required 120 μg of iodine every day for the production of thyroxine. Thyroid dysfunction. When the thyroid glands fail to secrete the normal level of hormones, the condition is called thyroid dysfunction. It leads to the following condition. Hypothyroidism. It is caused due to the decreased secretion of thyroid hormone. The abnormal condition are simple goiter, cryptmas and myxedema. Goiter. It is caused by the inadequate supply of iodine in our diet. This is commonly prevalent in Himalaya region due to low level of iodine content in the soil. It leads to enlargement of thyroid glands, which produce as the marked swelling in the neck and is called as a goiter. Sretinism. It is caused by decreased secretion of thyroid hormone in children. The condition are stunted growth, mental defect, a lack of skeletal development and deformed bones. They are called seratins. Myxedema. It is caused by deficiency of thyroid hormones in adults. They are mentally sluggish, increasing in body weight, puffiness of the face and hand, oedema's appearance. Hyperthyroidism. It is caused due to the excess secretion of thyroid hormones, which lead to grave disease. The symptom are protrusion of the eyeballs, increase the metabolic rate, high body temperature, profuse sweating, loss of body weight, and nervousness. Pituitary gland. The pituitary glands are four small oval bodies that are situated on the posterior surface of thyroid lobes. The chief cell of the gland are mainly concerned with secretion of parathyroid. See the parathyroid glands, the thyroid glands, trachea, parathyroid glands and parathyroid glands are presented. Function of parathyroid hormone. The parathyroid hormones result in the calcium and phosphorus metabolism in the body. They act on bone, kidney and intestine to maintain blood circulation level. Parathyroid dysfunction. The secretion of parathyroid hormone can be altered due to the following condition. A removal of parathyroid glands during the thyroidectomy. Removal of thyroid causes decrease the secretion of parathyroid. The conditions are muscle spasms known as tetany, sustained contraction of muscles in face, urinary hands and feet, painful cramps of the limb muscles. Pancreas, acetyls of Langerhans. Pancreas is elongated, yellowish gland situated in the lobe of stomach and duodenum. It is exocrine and endocrine in nature. The exocrine pancreas secrete pancreatic juice which play a role in digestion, while the endocrine portion is made up of islets of Langerhans. See the pancreatic picture, bile ducts, duodenum, blood vessels, islets of Langerhans, acinar cells, pancreatic ducts. Human insulin was first discovered by Frederick Banting, Charles Best and Mac Leonard in 1921. Insulin was first used treatment of diabetics on 11th January 1922. The islets of Langerhans consist of two types of cells, namely alpha cell and beta cells. The alpha cell secrete glucagon and beta cell secrete insulin. Function of pancreatic hormones. A balance between insulin and glucagon production is necessary to maintain blood glucose concentration. Insulin. Insulin helps in the conversion of glucose into glycogen, which is stored in liver and skeletal muscles. It promotes the transport of glucose into the cell. It decreases the concentration of glucose in blood. Glucagon. Glucagon helps in the breakdown of glycogen to glucose in the liver. It increases blood glucose level. Diabetes mellitus. The deficiency of insulin caused diabetes mellitus. It is characterized by increase in blood sugar level, hyperglycemia, excretion of excess glucose in the urine, glycosuria, frequently urination, polyuria, increased thirsty, polydipsia, increased appetite, polyphagia. Adrenal glands. The adrenal glands are located above each kidney. They are also called suprarenal glands. The outer part is the adrenal cortex and the inner part is adrenal medulla. The two distinct parts are structurally and functionally different. See the adrenal gland. The adrenal gland above the kidney, the triangle shape, a medulla, blood vessel, cortex and capsule. Adrenal cortex. The adrenal cortex consists of three layers of cells. They are zona glomerulosa, zona fasciculata, zona reticularis. Hormones of adrenal cortex. The hormones secreted by the adrenal cortex are corticosteroids. They are classified into glucocorticoids and mineralocorticoids. Function of adrenal hormones. Glucocorticoids. The glucocorticoids secreted by a zona fasciculata or cortisol and corticosterone. They regulate cell metabolism. It stimulates the formation of glucose for glycogen in the liver. It is an anti-inflammatory and anti-allergic agent. Mineralocorticoids. The mineralocorticoids secreted by a zona glomerulosa is aldosterone. It helps reabsorb sodium ions. The renal tubes. It causes increase the excretion of potassium ions. It regulates the electrolyte balance, body fluid volume, osmotic pressure and blood pressure. The cortisol hormones of adrenal cortex serve to maintain the body in living condition and recover it from the serve efforts of stress reaction. Thus, an increased output of cortisol is life-saving, is shock condition. It is also known as a life-saving hormone. Adrenal medulla. The adrenal medulla is composed of chromaffin cell. They are richly supplied with sympathetic and parasympathetic nerves. Hormones of adrenal medulla. It secretes two hormones, namely epinephrine, norepinephrine. They are together called as an emergency hormone. It is produced during the condition of stress and emotion. Hence, it is also referred as fight, fright, and fight hormone. Function of adrenal medullary hormones. Epinephrine or adrenaline. It promotes the conversion of glycogen to glucose in liver and muscles. It increases heartbeat and blood pressure. It increases the rate of respiration by dilation of bronchus and trachea. It causes dilation of the pupil in eye. It decreases blood flow through the skin. Norepinephrine, noradrenaline. Most of its action are similar to those of epinephrine. Reproductive glands, gonads. The sex glands are of two types of testes and the ovaries. The testes are present in male, while the ovaries are present in female. Testes. Testes are the reproductive glands of the male. They are composed of seminiferous tubules, laying cells of Sertoli cell, Leydig cell from the endocrine part of the testis. These secrete the male sex hormone called testosterone. Functions of testosterone. It influences the process of spermatogenesis. It stimulates the protein synthesis and controls muscular growth. It is responsible for the growth, development of secondary sexual characters, distribution of hair on body and face, deep voice pattern, etc. Ovary. The ovaries are the female glands located in the pelvic cavity of the abdomen. They secrete the female sex hormone, estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen is produced by the Graafian follicles of the ovary and
progesterone from the corpus luteum that is formed in the ovary from the ruptured follicle during ovulation. Function of estrogens. It brings about the changes that occur during puberty. It initiates the process of oogenesis. It stimulates the maturation of ovarian follicle in the ovary. It promotes the development of secondary sexual characters, breast developments, high-pitched voice. Function of progesterone. It is response for the premenstrual changes in the uterus. It prepares the uterus for the implantation of the embryo. It maintains pregnancy. It is essential for the formation of placenta. Thymus gland. See, the right lobe, left lobe, lymphatic ducts, vein, artery, capsule, cortex, thymus, corpuscle, medulla. Thymus is partially an endocrine gland and partially lymphoid glands. It is located in the upper part of the chest, covering the lower end of trachea. Thymosin is the hormone secreted by thymus. Function of thymosin. It has a stimulatory effect on the immune function. It stimulates the production and differentiation of lymphocytes. Some important points point to remember that axanthin are produced at the tip of stem and root from where they migrate to the zone of elongation. Cytokinin are the plant hormones that promote cell division. Cytokinesis in plant cells. Gibberellins include the formation of seedless fruits and parthenocarpic fruit. Abscisic acid is a growth inhibitor which regulates abscission and dormancy. It increases tolerance of plants to various kinds of stress. Ethylene is a gaseous plant hormone mainly concerned with maturation and ripening of fruits. The pituitary glands regulates and control the endocrine glands, and so it's called as the master gland. The hormones secreted by the thyroid gland are triiodothyronine T3 and tetrodotoxyroline or thyroxine T4. The parathormone act on bone, kidney and intestine to maintain the blood calcium level. Pancreas secrete insulin and glucagon that maintained blood glucose level. Adrenal cortex secrete cortisol and aldosterone, and adrenal medulla secrete epinephrine and norepinephrine. The sex glands are of two types, the testes and the ovaries, which secrete testosterone hormone and estrogen respectively.